So this is the kettle exclusively from Walmart. It's a beautiful brand by Drew Barrymore. So you get the manual, typical. You get the base that connects to the kettle to get the power, and you get the kettle. And that's all there is, folks. Here I'm just going to show you inside. There's a maximum and a minimum line, so make sure you keep within those lines. And here I'm taking the cable and I'm putting it through the slot. The cable is bigger than what the slot is, so it don't fit that well. And I'm here filling up the kettle, because in the manual it says you should fill the kettle up and bring it to a boil 3 times so that you get everything off of the coating that's inside. So that's what I'm doing here. You just push the power button and boil. So folks, as you seen in the other part of the video, the unboxing and everything else, to operate, you're supposed to plug it in, push this button, and white, green, oolong, boil. You can set the temperature, and you can hit the warm button if you want. Hit the oolong. Hit that for that type of tea. That's what's in there right now, but it'll heat up to 90 degrees, because I guess that's the proper temperature for that type of tea. That's the kettle. I like it. It does say you should unplug it when you're not using it, which excuse me, I'm not sure why, but I think it's because it is a touch. You know, you don't have to push anything, just rub up against it and you're setting it off. So maybe when the kitty cat is up, when you're not around, maybe it can turn it on. I have no idea. Drewmore Barry, or something Barrymore. Oh, Drew Barrymore. That's it. Yep. That's who it is. Right there. She comes into your kitchen, she turns on your kettle, and she gets you a cup of tea. Now, isn't that nice?